learning how to ride a bike.
All right, you're almost done with one lap. Don't go too fast. Okay.
I think you're standing on a bee.
I don't think I'm standing on a bee. All right, Joseph, you're almost here. Keep it good. Keep it good.
1 lap.
2 laps. You did it.
Yes. Do I earn Francesca?
Yes, you do earn Francesca. Joseph, what just happened?
I did 2 laps in a row.
Yep. Can I see a dance?
I'm too recording. Well, let's try.
Well, Felix, what just happened?
I did a nice dance.
What did Joseph just do?
Ride a bike around the concrete 2 times.
And what does that mean?
Francesco,
What about Francesco?
he earned it.
Yep, he did. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Wait, are you proud of Joseph? What do you say?
Bye.
I say I'm proud of Joseph.
I am proud of Joseph.